War evokes images of heroism, suffering, and sacrifice on a grand scale. To capture the extraordinary events of New Zealand's Gallipoli campaign during the First World War, the designers at Weta and the Te Papa Museum in Wellington used scale in surprising ways to create a breathtaking tribute to those who fought and died in Gallipoli, the scale of our war. Through larger-than-life sculptures, 2.5 times normal human scale, and displays of intimate everyday objects, the Te Papa Museum tells the epic story of the bravery of the Kiwi soldiers in remarkable, touching, and unforgettable ways.
We were approached by Te Papa, interested in us collaborating with them on a new, a fresher, creative approach to realise a commemorative exhibition about Gallipoli.
1.5 million people have come through to see this exhibition. That's the equivalent of 1 in 3 of all New Zealanders. It truly is an utterly awesome experience.
You share an intimate moment with that person because their eyes are so lifelike.
The sheer size of them engages you so fully.
For the first time, we are honouring that generation on a scale that they deserve.
Accepting the Thea Award for Outstanding Achievement, please welcome, from the Museum of New Zealand Te Papa Tongarewa, Garrett Martin, and from Weta Workshop, Sir Richard Taylor.
My wife and partner Tanya and I were thrilled when we received this nomination from this incredible award ceremony. And on behalf of my colleagues that are here, Ben and Rick, we want to pass on our great thanks to all the extraordinary people that helped us at the workshop, but most importantly, the fact that we had probably one of the most perfect collaborations that we could have hoped to have had with the extraordinary institution that is the National Museum of New Zealand, Te Papa. Te Papa is the curator and the people that look after the most important of New Zealand artefacts, the stories of our Indigenous people. And it wasn't until I had the opportunity to be welcomed so warmly into their halls of expertise that I got to truly appreciate the significance of this museum. So having an opportunity to collaborate on such an important project was extremely important to me. The most special person to thank, though, is the military historian Christopher Pugsley. As many of us know, it's without the expertise of these very special people that dedicate their lives to a single subject that we get the chance to speak with such authority through our work. I hope that the Te Papa exhibition of Gallipoli is testament to the love of hand skill, model making, craftsmanship and artistry, and it will continue to communicate this most important of stories to everyone that visits. Thank you very much and taking us home to a great team back in New Zealand.
Ina mana, ina reo, ina rangatira, tihei mauri ora. I'd just like to acknowledge the work that Weta have done in terms of taking a story that is about nation founding. Gallipoli has the same resonance in Australasia that Lexington does and the Boston Tea Party does in terms of creating a nation, the moment when we came from being a colony to being a nation. And the incredible emotion that goes with being that and the sacrifice that went with that is incredibly important for us. And the ability of Weta to tell that story is incredibly emotional for us. And it is a moment of nation-making. The fact that I said that 1 in 3 of New Zealanders have been through that exhibition, so everything you need to know in terms of what that means in terms of being a nation and being a place where we can celebrate who we are as New Zealanders. And it has been an extraordinary experience for us. Thank you very much.